In our previous episode, we explored the folder structure of our first Angular application. Now, let us try to explore package.json and package-lock.json using a fun analogy that we all can relate to, that is, taking a road trip. Imagine you are planning a road trip with your friends. You need to decide on destinations, plan routes, and pack essentials. Well, in the world of web development, package.json is your roadmap and packing list. Think of package.json as a manifest for your project. It's a configuration file that contains important metadata about your project. Here, name and version are self-explanatory. Now, scripts. Think of scripts as a shortcut to perform complex tasks with simple commands. You need to start your application? Just type ng-serve. Want to build your project? It's as easy as ng-build. These are like predefined dance moves that your project follows. Setting private to true means this project is for your eyes only. It's like hanging a no entry sign on your app store, telling npm to keep it off limits to the public. Additionally, and perhaps more crucially, package.json lists all the external libraries or packages that your project relies on to function properly. Just like you'd jot down your trips must-haves like snacks, maps, and camping gear, in your package.json you list the must-have tools and libraries your project needs. It's like saying, hey, for this journey we need Angular, Bootstrap, and some custom styles. These packages are categorized into two main sections, dependencies and dev dependencies. First one is dependencies. This section lists the packages that your project needs to run. These are essentially the building blocks of your application. Like you see here, Angular animations, Angular common, compiler, core, forms, platform, browser dynamic. Then comes dev dependencies. Here you specify the packages that are necessary for development and testing purposes, such as build tools or testing frameworks like Jasmine, Karma. They are not needed when your application is in production, but they are crucial in development stage. The beauty of package.json is that it not only keeps track of which packages you are using, but also ensures version consistency. You can specify exact versions or version ranges for each package, ensuring that everyone working on the project uses the same versions. And this minimizes conflicts and compatibility issues. Now let's visit our package-lock.json. This file is automatically generated when you install packages using your npm node package manager. It contains a detailed and lock-in version of each package and its dependencies. Think of package-lock.json as a snapshot of your project's dependency tree at a specific moment. It records the exact version of each package as well as the versions of its dependencies. This ensures that everyone working on the project, no matter from where or when, uses the exact same versions of the packages. So, just like a well-organized road trip, package.json plans your development journey and package-lock.json keeps everyone on the same route, even if there's a roadwork sign or a scenic detour or no matter what. This is particularly important for consistent development across different machines and collaborators. It eliminates the chance of someone unintentionally updating a package and causing unforeseen issues. In conclusion, package.json is your project's configuration blueprint, listing necessary packages and their versions, while package-lock.json is the detailed record of those versions, ensuring everyone is on the same page, or rather the same line of code. Thanks for joining us on this road trip analogy to understand package.json and package-lock.json. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Fulltechstack. Until next time, happy coding and safe travels on your web development journey. Thank you everyone.